I've always wanted to be a marine scientist, so when I found out Colby had an affiliation with Bigelow, it wasn't a question of if I would do it, it was when I would do it.
It's extremely hands-on, this class. Usually, even in other lab classes, they hand you a lab book and you kind of follow the instructions. And like the higher you get, the less instructions you get, but this class has very much been like, Pete will show us how to use an instrument once, and then we kind of get together and piece together what we remember from his teaching and just do it by ourselves, which is really cool.
It's been a really incredible experience just working at such like state-of-the-art facilities. It's been a great opportunity to just like get a really hands-on experience with climate change and just different molecular scientific techniques. I've been able to take the things I've learned at Colby on maybe a smaller level and just transfer it to an opportunity to just expand.
Starting every morning, we go down to the dock here at Bigelow Lab and we conduct a profile of the water column. The students have seen the setup of the ocean mesocosms, which we've heated up to simulate a warmer ocean. We've also added acid to them to simulate a future acidified ocean. In the afternoons, we've spent time processing the samples, doing DNA extractions, chlorophyll extractions, reading these samples on fluorometers and spectrophotometers.
You can just see the passion just oozing out of everyone here, and they just love what they're doing, and it kind of rubs off on you, where like you see how excited they are about things, so it makes you really excited to just get your hands dirty and get in there and start doing really good work.
It's a really great experience, and I would say anyone interested in any form of biology or environmental science should try to get to Bigelow because it's a really cool place and they're doing cool things too.